Algebra 2, this is Chapter 6, Section 2. I'm going to try to do 4 examples from this, no, 5. I'm going to try to do 5 examples from this section for you. This is going to be example 1, so I'll start with just the basics here. A quadratic is a parabola, and parabolas can cross the x-axis 3 different ways. You can cross at 1 point, right? So you can cross right here where you have 1 point. You can cross at 2 points, or you can not cross at all. In this case, we say that this is one solution, and a solution is where we cross the x-axis. So our solution right here would be -1. Here we have 2 solutions. We cross the x-axis at 2 places. The first solution is somewhere between 0 and 1, so we'll estimate this as being at 1/2. And the other solution is up here, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, and let's estimate it at 4 1/4. So there would be our 2 possible solutions for this one. And this one we don't cross the x-axis, so there are no solutions to this quadratic. So with that said, here would be a sample problem that we could do. We would like to find the solutions to this quadratic equation given here. And since you don't really know how to graph any other way, we have to plot points. So we need to do a bunch of guessing and checking here. So I like 0. 0 makes things go away. So if I put 0 here, that would make that 0. This would make this 0. And that would leave this as a -4. Okay, so then I could try maybe like 1. And let me grab a pen color other than black here. So that would be 1 minus 3 minus 4. So 1 minus 3 minus 4, so it's 1 minus 7. So that would be a -6 here. I'm getting further negative, so I'm going to go the other way. So how about if I go -1? Okay, so -1 would make this into a 1. Let me get rid of that. That's still 1. -1 squared is +1. -1 times -3 would be a +3. And then this would be -4. So then I've got 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. Okay, so then I'm going to try, how about -2? Get rid of that. And we'll try -2 here. So -2 squared is 4, and -2 times -3 is going to be a +6, and -4, that's going to make this a +6. And let me plot my points now and see what I have so far to see what this is looking like. So we have the point 0, -4. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's 0, -4. And then I've got the point 1, -6. So 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, -6. And then -1 is 0. Hold on. So it appears like we're coming down this way, so maybe I do need to go further to the right here. So let me try a 2 and see where 2 takes me. So that's why I've got to graph as I go so I can figure out where my max or min is. And I know that my A is positive, so this is going to have a minimum. It's going to be a parabola facing upward. So let's go with a 2. So 2 squared is 4, and 2 times 3, that would be -6, -4. So 4 minus 4 is 0, so this is a -6. I think I found my peak because I'm back at a -6. Anytime you get back to the same value, you kind of know that you're getting close here. So this is at 2, -6, which was right here. And I bet if I put a 3 in here, that's going to put me at probably a -4. Let's see what that does. Know that parabolas are symmetric. So once you find 1/2 of the parabola, it's pretty easy to get the other half. So 3 squared is 9. And then -3 times +3 is -9 and -4. So 9 minus 9 minus 4, that is my -4. So here I am here. And so then the next one has to be up here because, again, this is a parabola, and parabolas are symmetric. If I was really good at using curves, I would grab a curve and draw it, but I'm just going to sketch this in now. So I've got a parabola, and not bad for using a mouse. And there it is. So estimate the solutions of a quadratic equation by graphing. So we graphed it. We actually have the actual solutions here. So our solutions are -1 and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4. Okay? So that's how we do these kind of problems.